Hello everyone, welcome to tutorial number 4. We are here to discuss the Keys to Health channels 16 to 20. This will be the last tutorial for the channels on the AMI 850.
As mentioned, the keys to health channels are to improve and enhance the functions of the body and are to be used one channel at a time. In the Simonton, the channels were constructed to be combined when necessary and when possible. But with the keys to health channels, we want to address the body functions separately so as not to provide too much information or stimulation. This is important to remember when the body is going through its healing processes.
Let's begin with channel 16, toxicity clearing. Many people, after finding out or experiencing the effects various toxins have on our bodies, have started to look into a detoxification technique and products. Some of them require oversight by a healthcare professional, while others can be suggested by a dietitian or other provider. However, in our current world, Channel 16 is a tool that can help you systematically remove toxins from the body. Now, what this means is that the channel is a gentle approach to massaging the cells to release toxins, which can be used on a daily basis. Other products on the market can produce deeper detoxes, but can only be done for certain periods and can require radical changes in the diet, which can't be sustained for long periods on a daily basis. And they are also harder to integrate into a modern lifestyle.
Now, some detoxes are done seasonally, where channel 16 can be done whenever you feel a lack of energy, or that you have had periods of not eating well, or you've been being exposed to toxins. When you are using the channel, it's a good time to imprint water, which will help to flush out the toxins as you release them from your body. If you need instructions on how to imprint water, please contact our sound education staff.
Now, let's look at channel 17, sound sleep. We hear from people all over the world that being able to sleep is one of the primary health challenges we face today. Without sleep, your body cannot rejuvenate and its systems are not permitted to rest. The important thing is to first identify why you are not sleeping. If you are under long term chronic stress, you may need to do a 6-week protocol with Channel 1 in the Simonton first. As you have learned, it deals with stress in all 5 bodies, which, if not identified, can steal your sleep, your vitality, and negatively affect the body functions. If, on the other hand, you are simply dealing with a short term issue, then using sound sleep is the correct answer. Sometimes just a week of using the channel will put you on the normal track. But as always, the best option is to complete a full 6 weeks to bring the body back into balance, not just to address the symptoms.
So, channel 18 is Vibrant Body Nutrition. Now, this is a very popular channel because it brings about the response of increasing your natural vital energy. So, the frequencies open the pathways for your nutrition to be more available to your organs and cells. The channel contains the vibrations of the most important vitamins for your health, along with minerals and color frequencies. Many people don't like to take supplements. And if that's the case, this is a way to get them in a different manner. Even people who do take them, sometimes due to their body functions, they may not receive the full benefit of the vitamins. This is also a good channel to use to imprint water. As always, when you begin to imprint with a specific channel, you should begin with replacing your water, your drinking water, 1 glass at a time until you can see your body's response to this. It is not necessary to replace all of your drinking water all at once with imprinted water. It is more important to watch your body's response as you increase the amount gradually. If you find you are experiencing frequent urination, you may want to cut back on the amount, Or if you have other symptoms such as being headachy or have sleeplessness or a queasy stomach, you may be doing too much with using the channel and the water. In that case, use just the channel for a few days and see if your body has a better response to it. Now, for those who have clients, and these clients can only see you 2 or 3 times per week, then sending imprinted water with their protocol in it, sending that home with them can be of great assistance.
Channel 19, Immune Shield. There are immune system cells in every organ of your body. With Channel 6 in the Cyma-10, we are able to help the body fight off invaders through the superoxygenation of the cells, the reduction of bacteria, etc. With this channel, we are able to keep the body on alert so it is prepared for fighting disease. In other words, this is to aid a healthy functioning body and is more of a preventative. Also, the Cyma-10 Channel 6 was designed to be combined with specific body system channels, whereas Channel 19 is to aid the entire body in its protection from disease. It's best used as a preventative measure when you are preparing for seasonal changes or interfacing with large groups of people who may be carrying infectious disease.
Now we're going on to Channel 20 for healthy metabolism. Multiple body functions are involved in a healthy metabolism. The basis for it is a balanced energy distribution throughout the body. Some of the culprits against this include blood sugar imbalance, digestion problems, and poor circulation. The frequencies in this channel stimulate the body to help restore these functions and must be combined with an overall program designed to include proper nutrition and exercise. In other words, just using the channel will be helpful, but transformation of the body and health require multiple approaches to it. If you are seeking a weight loss program, for example, here is a list of channels on your AMI device that you can utilize. You would begin first with Channel 1 to alleviate stress, as it causes excess cortisol that results in belly fat. Next, complete a Channel 3 inflammation protocol, as inflammation has been proven to also be a cause of weight gain. Next, complete a protocol to heal and improve the digestive system, which will allow for better absorption of your nutrition. Next, research has shown that deep, restful sleep is instrumental in weight loss. So you could follow with a sound sleep channel if that is part of your health issue. Then, when these issues have been addressed, you will find that Channel 20 works beautifully. Preventive use of this channel will also bring about a stabilization in your body and overall health.
Remember that the device is a system that you work through according to your health. If you are unsure where to go next after completing a protocol, go back and assess which of your body systems needs support. Then the Keys to Health channel to address that function will be easier to determine. If you are in a good place with your health, there is often more than one choice available. Just feel confident in knowing that as all the channels offer you support for your best health.
As always, we invite you to contact us with any questions that you may have about your use of your device for your optimum health. Now, if you have a desire to become a certified cymotherapy practitioner with the AMI 850 device, please contact us at cymatechnologies.com so that we can help you on that path. We are wishing you vibrant health.
Thank you.